Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're putting together outfits, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So for the first look, I'm starting off with this sweater from Free Assembly. It has that boat neckline, drop sleeve, has the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, comes in the navy and white, also in the white and blue. I'm gonna go with the white and blue, and they're $26. Pairing it with these straight leg jeans from Time and True. So these have the whiskering straight through the leg. You guys know I love these. They also come in the dark indigo black, and they're $17.98. Bag, I'm gonna go with this one from No Boundaries. So it has that snap closure. It looks like a small version of the Christian Dior saddle bag. These are $16.97. Comes in red, black, and brown. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with these hoops set from Time and True. You get 3 pairs for $5.88. Originally wanted those, but they're sold. They got, I don't know, stolen or lost. Also going with this bracelet from Believe by Brilliance. It has the pearls, the gold, and then a little cross. These are $14.94. And then for shoes, I'm gonna go with these ballet flats from Time and True. So these have that square toe, the little bow, and they're on sale for $9. They also come in black, leopard, and a few other colors online. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going to go with the gray turtlenecks from Time and True. So these fold over. It's fitted through the wrist. Really good length through the front and the back. Comes in red, black, gray, and white. I'm going to go with the gray. I'm gonna go with the Time and True. This is the curvy high-rise skinny, so I love this like gray wash. These are super stretchy. They're also $17.98. For this style, they come in this gray and then also this mid-tone. Pairing it with the No Boundaries puffer coat. So these are so nice for the price. Mock neck. It has the little toggle, a little bit of a drop sleeve with the elastic on the wrist. These are $16.98. It also comes in red, ivory, and pink. Earrings, I'm gonna go with these silver little like threaded style. These are only $3.88 from Time and True. Also going with this set of rings from Time and True. You get 7 for $5.88, and they're all different sizes. Bag, I'm gonna go with this one from Paris Hilton. So this one looks like it's on sale for $28.78. It has the cross body strap, top handle, lots of different compartments. And then for shoes, I'm gonna go with these knee-high boots from Madden NYC. They have that square toe, chunky heel. They're $32. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm gonna go with this faux leather jacket from Scoop. So it has a smaller collar, snap button with the zip, has the 2 flat pockets with the button, and then the same kind of fit through the back with the seam detail. These are $38. Pairing it with the pull-on pinstripe pants from Lace. So these have an elastic waistband, side pocket. They're a nice boot cut with trouser style pockets in the back. They also come in the camel and the burgundy. They're $26.98. I think the pants have a burgundy stripe, so I'm gonna go with this long sleeve tee from No Boundaries. It has that plunging V, fitted through the wrist. It's a little shorter through the front and back, but not cropped. So it also comes in the pink. I think we saw it in black and white, and they're $8.98. Bag, I'm gonna go with this one from Time and True. So you can do top handle or shoulder strap. It's adjustable. Also comes in the purple. These are $19.98. Jewelry, I'm going with these hoops from Time and True. It's a mid-size. These are $5.88. They're really, or no, they're $3.88, but they're really lightweight. I just realized the bag I have has the gold, so I'm gonna go with these instead. They're also $3.88 from Time and True. I'm also gonna go with this burgundy corduroy hat from Time and True. I think these are $8.98. Shoes, I'm gonna go with these with the gummy bottoms from No Boundaries. So they have the round toe, that seam detail. They are $19.98. Says they have memory foam. I know these come in a few other colors online. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going to go with this black dress from Sofia Vergara. So this one has that wrap style front elastic. It's sheer through the sleeve with smocking in the wrist. It's a midi length with that drop tier. And then the same fit through the back. So this one comes in a few other colors. I think that's the only one they have here today is this black, and they are $32. Pairing it with this black oversized coat from Scoop. It has the smaller collar lapel, the 2 buttons, flat pockets, relaxed to the wrists, completely lined, regularly $64. And the blue is different. The blue has a couple more buttons. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with this set from Believe by Brilliant. You get the studs and then also the necklace for $19.94. And then I'm also gonna do these stretch bracelets. These are $15.94. Bag, I'm gonna go with this flat bag from Paris Hilton. They are, I think they're $18. It also comes in the silver. Since it's a solid black dress, I'm gonna go with these tights from Joy Spun. They have that diamond design. Also comes with the opaque gray, so you get the 2 for $10.97. Shoes, I'm gonna go with these from Madden NYC. These have a round toe, chunky heel, a little buckle detail. You could also do these from Madden NYC. They have that rhinestone with the chunky heel. They're both $24. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm gonna go with the white button down with the pearls from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar button. It's more of a boxy fit with the gathering around the wrist. They are $26. It looks like they're on sale in store for $19, and there's no embellishments on the back. Also pairing it with the new Sophia jeans. These are a wide, super high rise. They have the double button whiskering, nice and flowy through the leg, pockets in the back. Also comes in that darker wash, and these are going to be $24. Pairing it with this cardigan from Jessica Simpson. This has that plunging V, tortoise buttons, drop sleeve with the fringe, ribbed wrist, that same fit through the bottom. Comes in this purple, also in the beige. I'm gonna go with this one. Looks like they're on sale for $21. Regularly $29. I'm gonna pair it with this heart necklace from No Boundaries. These are $4.88. Earrings, I'm gonna go with these little hoops from Time and True. These are $3.88. It's a huggy style. Bag, I'm gonna go with this black one from Time and True. It has the fabric material with the silver hardware. They're $19.98. I'm pretty sure these are on sale online. Like $16.98. And they also come in the black, the green, and that red and brown. Also gonna go with this heart belt from No Boundaries. These are $10. I'm gonna go with the moto boots from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, chunky heel, silver hardware. These are $27.98. Looks like they're on sale in store for $22.98. And that's the finished look. Next look, we're gonna go with this mock neck sweater from Scoop. So it has that side rhinestone detailing. It's relaxed. I shared this one in the gray in the haul last week. Also comes in the black. They're $22. Pairing it with the Lee. These are the boyfriend jeans. I think these are online only. They're high rise. This is the size 14. They have them cuffed. And then the same fit through the back. I don't see a price, so they're probably online only, so they'll be linked. Pairing it with the crop denim jacket from Levi's. So I'm pretty sure this is like almost the same wash. It has the flat pockets, drop sleeve. This is more of a shorter boxy fit, and they're on sale for $27. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with these drop earrings from Believe by Brilliant. These are $15.94. Bag, I'm gonna go with this top handle from Paris Hilton. These are on sale for $19.78. It also comes in the denim with the silver. Shoes, I'm gonna go with these heels from Madden Girl NYC. These have the round toe, chunky heel, the rhinestones. They're $24. Next look, I'm gonna go with one of these $10 pullovers. I don't know if I should do the pink or the camo. I think I'm gonna do the pink. So these are half zip, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. It has the pockets. Only $10 in the plaid camo black burgundy. They have the new yellow, pink, mint. There's ivory and red up top. They also have a leopard. Layering it with the seamless long sleeve from No Boundaries. These have the V neckline. They're ribbed, fitted through the wrist. They are shorter in the white, pink, gray, blue, and black. I'm gonna do the white. Also pairing it with the white capris from Lee. So these are on sale for, I think they're $24. They're regularly $26 or $27. These are on the smaller end of true to size. The 6 just fits me. And they do have other washes. They have this orange. There's that light denim. I'm gonna do the white. Pairing it with the stud and tennis necklace set. I've shared this a couple times. It's $15.94. It also comes in gold. Also going to go with the pink beanie from Time and True. So that one folds over. These are $5.97. It also comes in the green and white stripe, black and white salad, black, white, gray. I think I'm going to go with another Paris bag. So I'm going to do the silver tote. These are $22. It also comes in the black. It's a nice roomy inside. I'm actually thinking about the shoe options, and I don't think there's shoes that go with that bag. So I think I'm going to do this one. This is actually, I'm wearing it right now in the black. I love it. It's so lightweight. And it just fits a lot for the size. These are $9.98. Comes in the black. They also have it in the Sherpa, the green velvet. I'm gonna go with the beige. And then I'm gonna pair with these Rhinestone Western boots from Madden NYC. They have the pointed toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside. These are regularly $40. And that's the finished look. Someone left me a funny comment about the hat. I did it in another outfit idea, and they said, what adults wear those hats? But when I lived in New Jersey, I don't see them too much in Florida, but every day there was multiple people at school drop off with hats like that. So I just thought that was funny. That's the finished look. In yesterday's try-on, I showed these pants with the Western boots. Mine are actually a little shorter, I think, than this style. The next look is this corduroy dress from Time and True. This one has the plunging V, shoulder detail, has the elastic wrist tiers. I showed this in another social media's outfit idea, and these are on sale, regularly $20. Also paired it with this striped cardigan from Time and True. This one has the open front, 2 front pockets, ribbed wrist, that length through the back, in the brown, burgundy, black, and beige, and they're $18.98. Pairing it with these earrings from Time and True. These are the gold leaf with the filigree, and they're $3.88. Bag, I'm going with this shoulder bag from No Boundaries. This one has that flap closure, the little buckle detailed. Also comes in black, and they're $23.97. The braided belt from Time and True. These are only $8. They're genuine leather. Also comes in the black with the silver. I'm going with the cognac and the gold. Also gonna do this fedora. This one's from Time and True. It has that corduroy material, and these are $15.97. In the outfit, I did these scrunch boots from Time and True, but they don't have them here, so I'm gonna go with these from Madden NYC. These have the pointed toe. It's a chunky heel. I'm pretty sure these are on sale online. They're $36. And that's the finished look. I also have a flat lay, like I said, on my other social media. I think on Bookface. Next look, I'm gonna go with this Pawnee blazer from Time and True. It has the smaller collar, lapel, longer length seam detail, has functioning pockets, relaxed through the wrist, and then really good length. And this one's $26.98. Also going with the Time and True pull-on pants. These have an elastic waistband. It's a Pawnee knit, matches back to the blazer, has that split hem at the bottom. These are the flare style, and then the seam fit through the back, and they're going to be $16.98. Pairing it with the Sequin tank from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, that scoop neckline, seam detail. It's the seam fit through the back. These are on sale in my store for $4. They're regularly $10.98. Pairing it with this necklace and earring set from Believe by Brilliant, you get both of them for $17.94. We're also gonna go with this handbag from Madden NYC. It has the top handle, also an adjustable strap. You could get rid of all of the straps if you want. I would probably do like a clutch. And it has the zippered compartments. Also comes in red, and these are $22. For shoes, I'm gonna go with these heels from Time and True. They have that round toe, chunky heel, the ankle strap. They're $19.98. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm gonna go with the black sequin skirt from Time and True. So these have a side zipper. It's midi length with the slit. Comes in the black, also in the gold. These are $16.98. Also pairing it with the white button down. It's from Time and True. This one has the smaller collar, button on the wrist. Scoops in the middle with the seam in the back. Also comes in the white and purple stripe, the black, and they're $15.98. Also gonna add the red. It's a mixed cable knit sweater from Time & Tru. So this one has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, same kind of fit through the back, comes in navy, black, ivory rust. And I'm pretty sure these are on sale online. They're $17.98 in store. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with this set from Believe by Brilliant. So you get the earrings and the necklace for $15.94. Bag, I think I'm gonna go with the red from Jessica Simpson. It's a shoulder bag. It has that flap closure. These are $28. Also comes in pink and black. Shoes, I'm gonna go with these Madden Girl little booties. These are, or they're not booties, they're knee boots, but they have the kitten heel. I think these are online only. Looks like they're $33.38 on sale. They have the zipper on the inside. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm gonna go with these shiny leggings from Avia. These remind me a lot of Aloe, this texture and the shine and the color. So they're high-rise fitted through the leg. I'm pretty sure these are majorly marked down online. Actually, they were, and then I think they took them off sale. So they're still very affordable. They're $15.98. Another Aloe look for less from Love & Sports. It has that side seam detailing, the zippered pockets, ribbed wrist with the hood, comes in the ivory, also in the black. And these are $48. Also going with the long line sports bra from Avia. This has the thick straps, coupe neck, same kind of fit. Comes in the gray blue, also black, and the taupe, and these are $12.98. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with these bigger studs. These are from Time & Tru. They're $3.88. I'm also gonna go with this purple bag from Reebok. It's a little waist bag. Also comes in beige and orange. These are $14. And the purple beanie, we used this one earlier, and that pink. These are $5.97. I'm also gonna go with the white tube socks from Avia. They only have this 10-pack for $9.97. And then I'm gonna go with these leather sneakers from Avia. These have the round toe. They have the purple little detail. These are on sale for $13 in my store. They also come in this black and pink. And that's the finished look, but I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.